another planet. And Ingenuity is less than 1.8 kilograms, right? 4 pounds. And in that 4 pounds, Ingenuity has to be able to fly in that very thin atmosphere and be able to survive and operate autonomously at Mars.
Flying on Mars is very difficult. You guys have heard it before. It's less than 1% of Earth's atmosphere, and that means that we have to have something really lightweight for us to overcome that mass to generate enough lift. And, you know, kudos and thank you very much to our friends over at Air Environment who designed and built this custom rotor system that is super lightweight. Each blade is less than 2 ounces made of composite material for that very reason.
Helicopter telemetry, helicopter events.